Hey guys! Welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Has your iPhone encountered this issue? After being hit or updating the system/software, the screen shows black lines. It's frustrating and affects your phone usage. Don't worry, this video will help your phone get back to normal. This video will introduce you to 4 methods, but for your convenience, we will first present the quickest method that won't lose your data. Method 1. Use the iOS repair tool Fixppo. Fixppo can fix your iPhone screen black lines and no data will be erased. Step 1. You can first download it and see how to use it. Now open Fixppo and choose standard mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer. And then click on download to get the firmware that will be later used for the fixing process. The whole downloading will take you up to 15 minutes or so. You may wait for it to complete. And begin the last step. Click on start and check the instruction carefully to bring your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Fixppo will instantly start to fix your iPhone and finish it in 5 minutes. Try not to touch the cable when Fixppo is working. Or your iPhone may be disconnected, then it's done. Let's start by rebooting your iPhone. You'll see that the annoying bulk lines is gone. And you can use your phone without any worries. So magical. Right. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. Simply press and let go of both the volume up and down buttons, then press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now check out your iPhone. Method 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Please note that iTunes will result in erasing everything from your device. Step 1. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button, wait until the recovery mode appears. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. Now, your phone get back to normal, but all your data is gone. If you want to fix your phone and keep your data safe, I highly recommend using the professional repair tool, Fixppo. If the above methods don't help you solve the problem, then it is likely that the phone hardware is damaged. In this, go to support.apple.com and click Apple Repair. Letting the Apple technicians fix the hardware damages. A lot safer than repairing it on your own. Alright. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find these methods helpful, share them with your friends. Can't wait to see you in the next video.